Hey guys, we received this Prover gel pens for test and try. 6 pieces, 0.7 mm fine point black ink, smooth writing pens for journaling or any other office use. So it comes in a really nice gift box. So first impression is a nice gift box and can be given as a gift to anybody. And this is a 5.7 inches pen. And let me just open the box. See, like the packing itself is very nice and looks really great. So there are six pens and have this pen clip. Steel ball pen clip slides without any marks or effectively reducing the scratches on the paper as well. And then very smooth pen and the material is have a like soft velvety touch and I would say is a retractable design. So you just click and things. So let me just take out this protection and then try to write and see how this feels. So it's very nice, very smooth, quick dry. I don't see any ink residues and the black gel pen ink. So it's very nice and smooth and velvety touch. That's really feel good in hands. And also you can refill the empty things in here. And that is pretty straightforward use. But yeah, the quality wise, this is really nice. I like this quality compared to the other pens I use. And the packing and the gifting thing is really good too. And very nice pens.